Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll show you how to access Freepik's AI image generator for free and start creating amazing AI art without spending a single dollar. So let's just get started. For that, you may just head over and start by opening up a browser and go ahead and search for Freepik. And once you search for Freepik, you should be finding the results available. You can directly look out for the AI image generator or head over to freepik.com and open it up. Once you head over to their official site, what we need to do is we need to create an account if we do not have an account yet. For that, you can look out for this option called sign in the top right corner or get started for free. And once you do so, you can just go over and select the option for signing. So you can start by creating up with Google, Apple, or email, any of the option available, and you can start generating images once you are logged in. So for example, if I would like to use my Google, I'm just going to select my Google account and select your account from the options. And once you do so, you will be directly logged in into your account and you're ready to start generating AI images. Now we can start by creating our first AI image. So go to generate image for that. And once you head over to that section here, you can just find this particular interface where you can type your prompt in the text box here, right here, or upload an image to go ahead and create your first AI images. You can just go ahead and choose different styles like realistic, or different other options, for example photo and your composition, your effects, the character, object, etc. And in just a few seconds, Freepik will generate multiple AI images from your text. So type in your prompt here, something like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in this prompt. You can also type in the prompt that you would like to use in order to generate your image, and go over and click on generate. You can select up your ratio before doing so and click on generate and just wait for a few seconds, and Freepik will create multiple AI images from your text. And there we go, we got the result here. So if you're wondering how to use it for free, Freepik will give you up to 20 AI image generations every day. No credit card, no hidden cost at all. It is a free plan available. You do not need to subscribe on any plans. Some advanced features or unlimited generations are for premier users, but you can generate a lot with a free plan alone. And you can click on the favorite result to download it and choose to edit it out, and that's it. Now you know how to access and use Freepik's AI image generator completely free, so you can go ahead and experiment with prompts and create something awesome. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you for watching this video.